2, 3. Okay, let's go. The dazzling lights, they always pass me by, while someone else's laughter fills the sky. I'm just an extra, passerby number one, clapping in the corner when the scene is done. I brushed my hair so neat and tied my bow, but no one's looking, though I put on a show. This play has a script that I can't ever change, a perfect happy ending that feels so out of range. I'm just the floral wallpaper behind the star, but hey, I really like how my shoes look so fine.